Hello traders and welcome back to the Rich Spirit channel for another weekly forex analysis. It has been so long time since I posted the last video, but here I am and this is what we do. So let's get started, guys. Let's get this money and let's prepare for the next week, because next week, I promise you, is gonna be a dangerous week for the weak traders, so we better be prepared. So, starting with the Euro USD as usual, guys, and then we'll switch to more other pairs. So, currently, as you can see, this is the monthly chart, and what is the most interesting thing here is that we have finally broke above this level of resistance, and we are closing the month with a strong bullish candle. That means that probably price should continue go up. Okay, so maybe we can test again this area and continue higher, since we are in a bullish trend. So let's draw this once again and let's switch to the weekly chart. So on the weekly we see a little bit of a rejection, but overall the trend is bullish. What else we can do? We can draw this trend line. So price, as I told you, can pull back a little bit, test this trend, and then continue go up higher. Or with the upcoming news next week, the calendar is full of news, you should check it. We can see also another bullish push. So let's go on the daily chart and see what actually do we have here. So the market is in this range right here. So price can't break above or below this range currently. So this is what we are having. Also, we can notice, excuse me, this little channel right here. And as you can see, price rejected from the bottom of the channel and from this level of support on the 4-hour. If we go to the 4-hour, here it is, the bounce and the rejection. So what we can expect? We also have broken this high over here, so these definitely have targeted some sellers and now they are out. So I'm more bullish on this pair. So first we are going to wait for the price to break above this structure, and then we can buy easily on the pullbacks. And that's it for this market. If price somehow breaks through the support area, we can come back down to this pretty nice zone right here. There are actually two zones. This is one of them, and the one right here. But this is good, so we can even buy from here. And that's it for this market, guys. Now I will bring back the channel and move to the next chart. Okay, that's it. So let the next chart be the GBPUSD, and same thing here. We have a bullish trend and very nice bullish breakout the last hours of the week. So we're definitely heading to the 1.26500 zone area, which I have marked in this green rectangle. So on this chart I also can admit that we have a chance to pull back, so price can make some Fibonacci correction, probably to these highs over here or to this little area of support, and then go and push, and that would be really nice opportunity for the bulls to re-enter and to ride all the way up to the 1.26500. Okay, and let's move to the next chart. Of course, if price somehow goes bearish, we have an expansion pattern here. So if price respect this resistance and break from the bearish side, we can expect nearly as big move as is the whole size of the pattern. So we measure the size, we take it from the potential breakout, and we can get some pips. I guess at this zone would be nice. Maybe a little bit higher, somewhere here. And that's it for this chart, guys. Let's move to the next one. EuroCAD super bullish. You can buy everywhere, and I think you still will be in profit. So a nice level of support can be found here, but price can even respect this previous high and bounce from there bullish. Okay, and that's it. Another beautiful zone for rebuys is this area right here. And that's it. On the weekly, price have drawn a nice rejection with this pin bar, so we definitely have to link this resistance as well. Okay, so this will be our future target. Okay, and this level of support, maybe it's better to be fixed a little bit higher, but that's not that important right now. Let's move to the next chart. And what do we have? EURJPY. Massive boom on the EURJPY. Pretty much expected because we're in a bullish trend, and there came some news about the Central Bank of Japan, which decided not to raise its interest rates on the yen, so prices rallying to the upside. Probably will hit this trend line, the trend line of this channel. So this is what I'm expecting. Of course it can pull back, and it would be very nice if we see a pullback to this previous support marked in green right here. So let's mark it up again, and then we can try another bullish push. Okay, let's move to the next one. And what do we have? We have GBPJPY, which is also, of course, rallying to the upside, currently at a resistance. Will that resistance hold? I don't know, nobody knows. But if we break it, we can wait for a pullback and buy at the retest for another bullish push to the upside. Let's move to the next chart, guys. What do we have? USDJPY. And here, as you can see, I have drawn many channels, but they are all now broken, and we're going higher to the moon, as they love to say. So on the daily, guys, this is what we have: broken resistance, going up higher and higher, probably to this high area right here. And that is a pretty cool target. If we see a pullback, that would be super nice, so we can ride it all up to that point of resistance. If not, of course, price can continue just rallying up and not care about what we want to see. So next chart, guys, USD CAD. This is some chart that I really don't like to trade last days, but here you can see that we're at some kind of support and a very bullish rally, by the way. So maybe this somebody can consider this a buy opportunity. So if that happens and price respects this support area, we can find first take profit around these highs, and the second take profit, I guess, somewhere around this consolidation. So probably here would be the best target. So I usually pay attention to these support and resistance levels, guys, because there are all the money. So as you can see, price goes back to the support and bounces up, and this is how people make money. Here the same thing, multiple times, respected, disrespected. That's how we move. That's how Forex move. So NASDAQ 100, what do we have here? Bunch of nonsense lines, so I'm gonna delete them. And let's see the bigger picture. On the weekly, we are, of course, on a bullish trend. So the price seems like started recovering very nicely. And as you know, guys, these indexes are very pumped up by the rich whales and the big investors. So this chart should continue going up with the bullish week. With the bullish trend right now, we have this opportunity. So let's draw a little bit of trend right here. So imagine, guys, price continue with this rally, goes to the resistance, rejects, come back to some area of support, and then we buy it and we hold it like a pro players. Okay, that's it, guys. This chart is super bullish for me right now. We have broken this resistance, so probably we'll continue to the upside, and I may consider some bullish opportunities on the lower time frames. For example, some sort of pullback, we buy it and we'll wait till the next resistance where we take profit. Bitcoin also super bullish chart. Now, as you can see, price is currently recovering, so I think will be this resistance right here, which is holding for now the price. But since it gets broken, you should all buy the bitcoins because it's going up. Gold is the next big thing on the forex market. So I'm right here right now with the mixed feelings about gold, guys, because on the monthly, as you can see, we have a rejection. Where is this rejection? On a resistance area. So this may mean that maybe the investors will start getting out their profits and closing their positions. So we can see some serious drop on gold. If not, if somehow we break this resistance, we are going up higher. But on the weekly, we also have few rejections here, so the thing is still not clear. Also, we don't have this correction on this second impulse of this trend, so we actually still are not going nowhere. Even before that, since price was here, I guess we didn't see a serious correction, not even the 31%, so it's pretty unbalanced chart for me right now. But what I'm going to do is I'll wait until we break this resistance, not this resistance but this range. This is what I wanted to say. Now let's zoom in and show you what I mean. These two resistances are the range that we're having, and if we go on the 4-hour chart, you can clearly see that price is bouncing between these levels. You can also draw a trend line right here. So we have also some sort of a triangle which still isn't broken, but what I expect is the price to continue go up to this resistance, and if it breaks it, we can wait for a retest to buy and drive the price back to these previous highs. If not, if price breaks bearish, then we can do the same strategy. So we wait for the break, then we wait for the retest, and we sell until the next support area, which by the way can be found also here, since we have a previous lows there. And that will be my approach to gold. Also, it would be interesting if we break this high, so we can continue go up even higher, but that's more further in the future, so I will not look at such a scenarios. Price is a little bit overbought for me, so let's see, and let's see what this week will give us. I wish you everything best. Smash these markets, make some money, and kill the brokers. Stay good, stay well, stay successful, guys, and I'm out of here. See you soon in the next videos. Peace.